How to fix Instagram repost option not showing. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're in the home page of App Store, in the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update the app. Once it has been updated, head over to your application Instagram and check whether the feature is available or not. If not, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Instagram and once you find it, simply move into it. Now tap on offload app and then once again click on offload app. Once it has been uploaded, now the next thing you want to do is head over to your application Instagram and log into your account once again. After that, you can see that the repost option is available to you. So this is simply how you can fix repost option not showing on Instagram. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.